In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set out of office in Google Calendar for multiple days, an essential tool for managing your availability effectively, especially when you're planning to be away from work for an extended period. Whether you're going on vacation or simply need time to focus on a personal project, marking your calendar properly ensures that your colleagues are informed and interruptions are minimized. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your calendar layout, which may look different depending on your view settings, but don't worry, these steps will work across all settings. Now you'll need to locate the specific time slot where you'd like to begin marking your unavailability. Think about when you want your out of office period to start and identify that day on your calendar. Once you've found that time slot, move on to the next step. Double click on it. Doing so will open an event creation window. This is where you begin customizing your out of office settings. In the pop-up window, the first thing you'll want to do is type in a descriptive title for your event. A simple out of office will suffice, but feel free to add more information if it helps others understand your status. Now it's time to determine the duration of your out of office period. Adjust the start and end times to accurately reflect the period you'll be away. If you're planning to be out for several days, make sure to select the starting day and extend it to the end date. This ensures your absence is clearly marked on the calendar across multiple days. Next, take advantage of the description field to add any additional details or notes relevant to your out of office period. For example, you can include the reason for your absence or additional contact information if needed. While this step is optional, it's a good practice to provide context for those who might need to reach you in your absence. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button or simply press Enter to finalize your event. Once saved, your calendar will reflect your out of office period, making your unavailability visible to anyone sharing your calendar. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set an out of office period on your Google Calendar for multiple days. By keeping your calendar up to date, you help maintain smooth communication with your team and make sure everyone stays on the same page while you're away. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips on using Google Tools, maximizing your productivity, and managing your schedule effectively.